Okay, welcome to the next flipped lesson video. The topic is still paragraph basics, topic sentences, but this time we're going to be talking about the second requirement in the rubric, the second requirement for your topic sentences. So here's the text from the rubric, those three bullets at the top. And in the last video, we talked about the first requirement of topic sentences, which is to use words in the task to tell what the paragraph is about. Today, in this video, we're going to focus on the second requirement of topic sentences. And that requirement is do not use the first person or the announcement method in your topic sentence. So, what is that and how do I do it? First, we're going to talk about the first person. The first person is when you talk about yourself. So you use I or me or my. And when you are a younger writer, you use the first person all the time, even in your informational and argument writing. However, as you get older and your writing becomes more sophisticated, it's generally frowned upon to use the first person. There are definitely some exceptions. There are some times when you have to use the first person or you should use the first person. But for the most part, if you are writing an academic paragraph, either to inform or argue, you do not use the first person. So, how do you make this adjustment in your writing? How do you make this change from using the first person to not using the first person? Well, it's actually incredibly easy. You just erase it. Here's an example. It says, I think Bernie Sanders would make a great president. Now, Vermonters love Bernie Sanders. And when I wrote this, when I made these slides several years ago, Bernie Sanders was running for president, and I had a class that was Bernie crazy. So this was a great example to use for them. Anyway, this sentence says, I think Bernie Sanders would make a great president. And maybe when you were in fourth grade, this would have been a really good topic sentence. But we want to get that first person out. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to cross it off. So I'm crossing off the I. And what am I left with? Think Bernie Sanders would make a great president. That doesn't work. So I'm kind of thinking that the word think goes with the I. So I'm going to take that one out too. And what am I left with? Bernie Sanders would make a great president. That is a strong sentence. By taking out I think, I've made this sentence even more confident. I've made it stronger. I have said, I am sure about this. Bernie Sanders would make a great president, because I got rid of this whole, oh, I think he would make a great president. No, Bernie Sanders would make a great president. I am willing to just say how I feel. I am willing to put my opinion out there in a very strong and certain way. So we've gotten rid of the first person, and now we've got our topic sentence, and it does not use the first person. Okay, let's talk about the announcement method. What is the announcement method? The announcement method is when you tell the reader what you're going to do in your essay. You announce it. You say things like, I will tell you about, or this essay will explain. You're announcing what you're going to do in your essay or your paragraph. Don't do that. And again, the solution is so easy. Generally, you just have to delete it. just take it out. Here's my example. This essay will explain why Bernie Sanders would make a great president. Okay. I am going to check out, where do I have the announcement method here? This essay will explain why why Bernie Sanders. Okay, I am going to cross off the announcement part of this sentence. And what am I left with? Bernie Sanders would make a great president. I have deleted or crossed off the announcement method, and that's all I had to do to get a really strong topic sentence. It's strong, it's confident, and it says what I wanted to say. And that's it. That's the only thing you need to know for not using the first person or the announcement method in your topic sentences. So we have now talked about the first 2 bullets from the rubric. We've talked about, in the first video, how you use words in the task to tell what the paragraph is about if you're writing to respond to a task. And then in this video, we talked about how to avoid using the first person or the announcement method. We're almost there. We just have one more to go, and that will be in the next video.